we're gonna focus on this little area. So actually this one, I don't know what these buildings are, but they're kind of colorful. There's like green and yellow, and we're gonna walk all the way along them. And there's also on this one. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Along them. And there's also on this side, there's also like a big kind of sports area. And then you can also use all these equipment here. And then you can also put your feet on here, so you can take your shoes off like that and step on this. It'll feel really good. You should take off both shoes, but I just want to give an example. But this is right in front of this kind of interesting little building. There's an overpass right there. There's exercise equipment, and there's also all of this stuff. So let's take a little walk, and we're gonna walk back behind all these buildings, and I'll show you this side of Taipa. Over there is a stadium directly right that way, and a swimming pool right there, a big large swimming pool. And then you have all these apartments all the way here, all the way along. The blue one I filmed there because it's a pretty cool looking building if you get it from the right angle. But this is also kind of a cool little spot here too, because you have all these kind of actually, if you can see this green one, it's kind of cool too. This green one on the side, you can see this one has all these windows that are like that, and like that one is like kind of like spherical, that green one. I don't know if you can catch it very well with this camera. I don't know if you can see it. I can eyeball it better. So we're just gonna walk down, and then I just want to show you, so people can sit out here, and then all these kind of balconies in this particular one. And this one stretches out for a little while, so we're just gonna film that all the way down, and then we're gonna just kind of show you what this is all about. So here's more space to sit at. But yeah, these kind of color codes, so yellow, pink, green, yellow, green, yellow. It's kind of interesting to look at because people just walk by here all the time, but all the balconies are exposed to the street, so they're kind of hard not to miss. But they go all the way down, and then some of them have shops down below, and a lot of people, they put like all their clothing and everything to dry. So instead of having a dryer, they just use all the washers. But it's kind of cool. So actually this whole stretch, like this, all of these right here, so it goes all the way like this, all of these two, and then there's like little places to sit, there's exercise equipment, and it goes all the way down. So we're just gonna yeah, it's pretty cool looking actually. So okay, we're gonna just kind of looking up a little bit, and we're gonna keep walking along these. But this is called like Taipa Village, is directly over that way. Maybe we'll walk in just a little bit, and then we'll walk back out again. But I think there's some, yeah, actually there's all those kind of places you can sit up there too, huh? Right over there is Taipa Village, so I don't know what the history is of this. It kind of feels like it's like public housing or something like that, but I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, and then you can park in here, and actually I was with a friend of mine, and here's a beautiful tree right here too. He was, dang, you can see all these apartments too, kind of a wall of them, right? He parked in here once, and then he went to a shop there, so I think like it's also a parking garage. Parking spaces are really expensive here, by the way. So we're just gonna keep on walking. And then, so we're kind of on the back side of this now. There's lots of people kind of working, right? So yeah, pretty cool. So this is all like a parking lot, private parking lot. So you'd pay some good money to have a private parking space in here. Pretty cool balconies all the way up. Chinese restaurant. And then right next to it is there's a tennis court and also running, so you can do both. You can do either one, I mean. Could do both if you're the kind of person with a lot of energy. And then on the other side, there's a bunch of restaurants. So we're definitely in the back side, so people might park here, and then they can walk into the restaurant from the back door. And then if you're on the other side, is more the pedestrian traffic. And then this is kind of a more hidden spot, right? That looks pretty interesting though. Then I always kind of notify it. I always kind of, it's really distinguished because of these colors, green, blue, yellow. They actually be, if they didn't have the colors to it, it probably would be quite boring. And then nobody is running today. Usually you'll see people running. There are some people playing tennis though. I don't know if you can see them. So anyways, and then straight ahead is Galaxy. So that's a big casino, Galaxy Casino. So I think you get the idea, but you can definitely get a feel for, here's another entrance into the parking garage, so maybe I'll end it there. This is basically where we came from. A little mess of stuff. And this is the parking garage, entrance, exit, one of two. And then right over there is Old TT, Old Taipa Tavern. So you've seen me film over here in Taipa. It's highly visible. And there's a little temple right next to it. So okay, so I think we're gonna end it right there.
Chiquinha,